Hi, my name is Dr. Emily Tanzler, and I'm a radiation oncologist at Cancer Specialist in North Florida. I knew I wanted to be a doctor at a really young age. When I went to high school, I had a class in neuroscience, and I remember the first day when the teacher pulled out the anatomy books and we looked at it, there was just such a passion, and for one of the first times, everything made sense. When I went off to college to Vanderbilt University, which I loved, I realized, one, it stays cold most of the year, and two, it was landlocked, which I wasn't used to, and three, I missed my family. I came home to Jacksonville and continued on at the University of Florida for college, and then continued out there for actually medical school and residency. The radiation I fell into, and I'm so glad I did. I met a doctor one night at an event who said he was a radiation oncologist, and I said I had never heard of it. And he asked me to come write a paper with him, and it was at that moment I just absolutely thought that this field was fascinating. Towards the end of residency, when it came time to look for a career and a job, I looked all over the Southeast, but I really wanted to stay in Florida, and an incredible opportunity presented itself where I interviewed with Cancer Specialist in North Florida, who was all medical oncology at that time, and they really had a dream and a passion to build a state-of-the-art multidisciplinary oncology clinic in North Florida, and asked me to come on and build the radiation division for them. Since 2014, our radiation department has grown from the 2 doctors at one center to now there are 7 of us at 4 centers, ranging all the way from here in St. Augustine to North Jacksonville. What I love most about CSNF is that it's physician-driven. Every day we get to decide what we think is best for the patients and how we want to implement that. As physicians, we make the decisions on what technology we get to use, and in radiation oncology that's incredibly important. We now have the latest equipment in the world that I'm able to treat with, and that is incredibly fulfilling as a physician to have that at my fingertips and to be able to provide that to patients in their neighborhoods and closer to their homes. So in my free time, I love to be outdoors. I try to be outdoors as much as possible. My husband and I love to hike all over Florida and the mountains, and lately we've been out to Yellowstone out west. I have 2 corgis, a parrot, and 2 cats, so we have quite the menagerie at home, and I love being with them. They make me laugh, and they bring some brightness to my day. Cancer Specialist in North Florida, cancer doesn't care, we do.